my car journey started with my stepfather. He had a 1969 HT Monaro with a 327 in it. My brothers and I used to go to the summer nats every year, starting from 1990 all the way through to about 2005. So that's where the car journey started for me as a young guy. So currently at home in the garage, we have a 2022 Outlander and the 95 XG Panelvan behind me. So I bought the van 4 years ago. I come across it on car sales. It had the memories of my first car that I learned to drive in, which was an XF Falcon wagon, and also my first car I ever bought, which was a 92 XR6 Falcon in red. I've had simple work done on a Falcon, head gasket was done, but when I bought the car, it still had a lot of original parts in it, which we had to change. So when I first bought it, it had head gasket done, suspension, lowered it at the front, lowered it at the rear. After the suspension was completed, I've done an exhaust system on it, which runs a redback system, 2.5 inch high flow cats. It also has now a stage 2 cam from Crow Cams, and also we've upgraded the cooling system with radiators, water pumps, things like that. As the car was 142 kilometres old when I got it, things were going from age, not wear and tear, so the car's had a bit of an overhaul to get it up to more modern standards and just to keep it running right. I wanted to show the local car communities that we still can get the parts to rebuild a car. This one here, mine, it's had everything I could possibly do through Repco. So from the exhaust, camshaft, cruise control, suspension, the daily maintenance I've bought through from work. This in turn, me working with car clubs, I'm a member of the Majestic Vanners, we do sponsorship for them, and I've met so many people and helped so many people on their journey with their cars to get them where they want to be, and the mechanical aspect on keeping the cars rolling. I still get phone calls from people from Melbourne, Sydney. Hey Chris, we need some help with this. Can you point us in the right direction to help us get the parts for their car to keep them on the road? The addition to Rare Spares to the Repco network has really helped us with the older cars, because Rare Spares has a lot of those parts that we need, and with the turnaround from Rare Spares to get them into the store really helps us keep those cars rolling and the builds rolling as well. So the plan for the van in the future is the interior. So it's a matter of reupholstering the bench seat, new carpets, lining the back, just getting it into a nice tidy semi-show car sort of state, still being a daily driver. It's not a $1 million build, not a show car quality, it is a driver, it's a cruiser, but I want to share my passion for the cars with the car community. So since I bought the van, joined the Majestic Vanners, I've sponsored the Majestic Vanners van in event here in Albury, Wodonga for the last 4 years, also as an entrant. And at that, my second event, the van got the most popular van from 1980 onwards, which was a real big achievement for me, being that so much work and time has gone into the car to get it to where it was at the time. For the future, I'd love to do a road trip to Broken Hill, out to Silverton, see some of the Mad Max locations and get some really good photos of the van out in the outback in the country. So doing the vanning circuit, I've done many road trips in the van, out to Mildura for this year's Van Nationals, the 50th. And I also did one back last year to Port Macquarie, which was an amazing trip. It's the longest trip I've ever done in the van, but that car sitting on the Hume Highway is an absolute pleasure to drive. It still drives as good as my wife's 2020 Outlander. It sits so nicely, so comfortable, and it was so good. After owning the car for 4 years, even now getting into the car, it still puts a smile on my face. I'm Chris, I'm the store manager at Repco in Albury. This is my 1995 Ford Falcon panel van, and you've just watched Repco Rides.